Hi, it's me again. It may sound dramatic, but every decision you make for the child seems to be the biggest decisions you ever make in life. Should I feed my child more veggies or meat? Snacks or no snacks? When it comes to preschool, should I have it more academically based or play based? Can my child learn through play? The role of the education is actually to interest the child profoundly with an external activity which will draw out his full potential. This is quoted by Dr. Montessori. Most schools measure results based on standardized tests, reading, writing, arithmetic, but in the Montessori classrooms, we actually do not grade the students. You heard me right, we do not grade the students because we believe that grades don't reflect the development qualities of the child. What we want the child is to pursue his passion, find his interest in life, and when found, it releases an immense power creating growth and learning. Montessori focuses on guiding the individual development by looking at a child's concentration on task, the level of independence the child shows in self-selected activities. Montessori environment creates that opportunity for meaningful work with the child. This is also reflected by trained Montessori teachers who will keenly observe the child's progress, document all the observations so that they can guide the child towards deeper learning. If the child is not learning, Montessori will actually identify the child's developmental phase and seek to make their work more meaningful and joyful. The main sign of normal human development is joyful and meaningful work. So my question to you today, are your kids having joyful and meaningful work in school? Follow us on all our social media platforms and we will share with you more about Montessori soon.